YouTube channel. If you're new here, well, thanks for stopping by. If you like what you see, hit that little thumbs up. If you really like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because there's good videos on the way. If you're not new here, well, thank you for supporting my channel. Today I am going to do a cooking video. I do farmers markets, and my most popular bread that I do is, whoa, hi Nana, this is Nana, my puppy dog. Hey, you gonna let me do my video? You gonna let me do my video? Hey, sit down, sit down. All right, you can be my guest host, but don't eat me. Anyway, ugh. Hey, sit down. Anyways, I do farmer's market, and my most popular bread is my cobbler bread. So I do peach cobbler, blueberry cobbler, strawberry cobbler. It's really, really good and very, very popular. I have had people want to order it from me like offline, and it's kind of expensive to ship bread if you've ever shipped bread or anything like that. I mean, it's a big loaf, so it fits in a rather large box. Anyways, so I figured it would be easier just to show you guys how to make it, then you wouldn't be asking to ship it, and it would save you money and me money, and you have something to do just in case you're still in lockdown, which I don't think a ton of people are still in lockdown, but some of them still are. So anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in 1/3 cup of butter, boop, and then 1 cup of sugar, and 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of water, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Like I said earlier, you can use peaches, or you can use pretty much any fruit you want, but today I'm using blueberries. 1/2 cup of nuts, whatever nuts you like. I'm using just mixed random nuts. There's all kinds of stuff. There's peanuts, there's cashews, there's almonds, there's sunflower seeds, so you know, whatever you like to put in there. I just like to put mixed nuts in there. If you want to, you can put it through a blender or food processor and chop all the nuts into like a lot smaller pieces, or you can put them in their whole, whatever floats your boat. 1 teaspoon baking soda. Get it all up there. A 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. And last but certainly not least, 1 cup of flour. Get out. And 2/3 cup of flour. Voila. And then we just mix it all up. And voila! It is mixed. Next, we're going to put it into a greased bread pan. I usually put it in a smaller bread pan. However, I have been baking recently, and I am going to put it into a big bread pan. Don't ask me how big this bread pan is, because I'm not sure. It's just big. The smaller bread pan is like a, I don't know, 4x9 or something like that. I don't know that either. It's the small bread pan and the big bread pan. I'm going to put it into the bigger bread pan because my small bread pan is dirty. So anyway, ready, set, snap. Voila! It's in the bread pan. Alright, now we're going to take that and you're going to put it into a preheated 350-degree oven for 50 to 55 minutes. However, it's really just until you stick a toothpick in and it comes out, because it always seems to take longer than 55 minutes. So I would probably say more like 60 minutes, but it all depends on where you are and your oven. But you start at 50 to 55 minutes and then start poking it with your toothpick to make sure that it's done. So let's pop this thing in the oven and see what happens. Alright, I just popped this bad boy out of the oven. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delicious? Oh, you don't even, like, this video is not even, like, doing justice to how delicious this bread looks. It looks amazing. Oh, but let's do the toothpick check just to be sure that it's done. Toothpick. Insert toothpick into the middle of the bread. Comes out clean. This baby is done. Oh, it's so pretty. It's just gorgeous. That is just an amazingly beautiful loaf of bread. So, I hope you found this useful. Very good bread. It's a big hit. Everybody likes it, so try it at home, and you'll like it too. So, thank you guys for watching, and if you liked it, hit that thummy. Hit that thummy. And like I said, if you really like it, subscribe. More good videos coming. Thanks for watching.